Hi there, this is Nick from Marmalade. Today I'm going to introduce the new Tizen OS and walk you through setting up Marmalade to deploy to Tizen. The great thing with Tizen is all you have to do is install the Marmalade SDK and you're ready to go. There's no need for developer sign up, signing certificates, debug tokens and all that stuff. Just install the SDK and you're off. Internally, Tizen is a Linux-based OS. It's very similar to Samsung's old Barda OS and tools-wise looks a lot like Android. We ship a tool called SDB with the SDK. This is basically Samsung's version of Android's ADB tool, which you can use to communicate with devices. We support Tizen version 2.2 and newer. When you get a development device, you might need to update the firmware and drivers to match. For the videos, I'm going to be using the MO device. This is basically similar hardware-wise to a Samsung Galaxy S3.
To set up Marmalade, you need to go to madewithmarmalade.com, log in or register, download the latest SDK, get a license installed, and during the installation process it will consume the license. You also need an ID developing for C++, so for Mac you can use Xcode, which is free and you can get from the Mac App Store, and on Windows you can use Visual Studio, any version from 2005 onwards. You can get the 2010 or 2012 Express versions. They're free downloads and they support all of Marmalade's features. For both PC and Mac, you'll need the Java JDK. This is installed by default on Mac, and on PC you can just search for Java JDK. Version 6 is the stable one, so I'd recommend downloading that. If you're going to do quick Lua development, then you can use the Zero Blade Studio IDE, and this ships with Marmalade by default.
That's basically it for Tizen setup. Just plug the device in and deploy with no additional settings.